In this video, we are going to walk you through how to easily list your properties on Trivago. So firstly, search for Trivago on your browser and simply scroll down until you find the official website. Once you do, click on it. Then once you've made it to the website, tap on the profile icon. You can now choose whether to create a new account or simply log into an existing one. Then enter your email and tap continue. Next, enter your password. Now that you're signed in order to list your property on Trivago, you will first have to list it with either Trip.com, Priceline, Booking.com, Expedia, or any other websites. So for this tutorial, as an example, I'm going to use Booking.com. So over here on the Booking.com website, remember the steps will be slightly similar to other websites as well. So what you have to do first is simply sign in or create an account. So let's enter our email. Once we enter our email, we'll have to enter our password. So now that we have an account, we can then tap on the 3 dashes in the top right. Then simply tap on list your property. You then be brought to this page where you just have to tap on get started now. Then enter your email. Then next enter your contact details. You then have to provide a password. Next, verify your email by tapping on the link in the email that was sent to you. You then be provided with an option of choosing what property you want to list. So simply list your property and head over to Trivago. Simply scroll down and tap on Trivago Business Studio. Once you've made it, simply tap on register for free, enter your email address, and then next enter your password. You then have to provide more details about your identity, and once you do fill them up, you will now have to search for the property you just listed on Booking.com. And once you do, it will then be made available on Trivago as well. So that's it. I hope you found this insightful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.